Hi, this is 15 puzzle problem. Here you have 15 tiles and this board there is a space for 16 tiles. Okay, one space is vacant. And your goal sheet is bring this tiles in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 15. See, the tiles are numbered. So this is one state, and your goal state is bringing the tiles in the correct order. Okay, so here for that what I can do is I can move this vacant space. Okay, I am moving this vacant space. Now I have, previously it was here, and I am moving it to left. Okay, then I am moving it to down, that is the vacant space is moved down. I am moving it right. Okay, I am moving it up. Okay, in this way you are doing the movements, and we will evaluate each movement, and we will adopt a least cost search method of branch and bound technique. Least cost means which movement has the least cost, we will adopt it. Okay, we will see how we are calculating the cost. Here these tiles are marked 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15. Okay, they have drawn on a white sheet. Okay, this is the goal sheet, that is you have to arrange the tiles in the correct order. Okay, this is an arrangement of these tiles, and here you can see the vacant space. Okay, we can move this vacant space up, down, left, right. Okay, let us start this discussion with an arrangement. Here it is marked state 1. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the vacant space, the empty space, then 8, 9, 10. Okay, and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in not in the right place, 8, 9, 10, this 11 is not in the right place, 12 is not in the right place. Okay, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 12 is not in the right place. Okay, so this is an arrangement, and it is the initial state. Here from here we are starting to read the goal state, that is we are trying to make the tiles in the correct order. Okay, so move up means you are moving this vacant space up, that is pulling this tray down. Okay, here you have pulled the tray down, the vacant space is moved up, and this state or this arrangement is marked 2, and you will be reaching this state 2 from the initial state by one move. Okay, that is simply moving the vacant space up. Okay, then right, that is by pulling this tile 8 down, left. Okay, we have pulled tile marked 8 left side. Then down means you are pulling the vacant, you are making the portion of the vacant space down, that is pulling this tile marked 7 up. Okay, you have pulled 7 up. Now the vacant space is moved down. Okay, then left, that is by pulling the tile number 6 right. Okay, here we will be getting 4 stages by one movement. The movement can be up, right, down or left. Okay, you are getting 4 stages. Okay, here in this technique branch and bound, we are using LC search method, least cost search method. Okay, so which movement will be selected? Okay, so we will evaluate each movement, each state, we will evaluate each state, then its cost will be calculated, and we will select the state with least cost for further expansion or further movements. Okay, and then how do we evaluate this state? So let us see the expression for the cost of a state x. It can be f of x plus g of x. So what is f of x? F of x is nothing but the number of moves from the initial state. Remember, from the initial state, that is important. Here will be reaching state 2 by one moment. Okay, by pulling this tile 3 down. Okay, that is only one moment. We are reaching this state 2. So in this state 2, f of x will be 1. In the evaluation from state 2, that is C2, f of x will be 1. Then g of x is nothing but the number of non blank tiles that is not in their goal position. Okay, see the goal position. This is the goal position. Okay, all the tiles in their correct position. Okay, so g of x is the number of tiles not in their correct position in that particular state. That is, in the state we are evaluating, state 2 we are evaluating. See, this 3 is not in the right position, 7 is not in the right position, then 12 and 11. So 4 tiles not in their right position. Okay, so we got f of x and g of x. Now we can evaluate c of x, c of 2. Okay, c of 2, that is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. In similar way we will be evaluating c3. You can see state 3, it is reached by one moment, and tile 8 not in the right position, 7 not in the right position, 11 not in the right position, 12 not in the right position. So again 1 plus 4. State 3 is reached with one movement and 4 tiles not in the right position. Okay, similar way, so state 4 and cost of state 4, cost of state 5 will be evaluated. Okay, now we got all the costs. State 2, state 3, state 4 and state 5. Okay, which is the state with least cost? It will be state 4. So we will select the moment which cost state 4. So that is down, that is making the empty space down, that is pulling 7 up. Okay, so this will be state 4 will be selected for further movements. Okay, so the state with minimum cost is 4, so 4 will be selected for the further movements. Okay, here you can see right, down, left. That is no meaning of moving this vacant space up, because we are coming from that state. Okay, that is 7, pulling 7 down, we will be moving this empty space up, that is previous initial state. Okay, so no meaning in considering moving up, so we are considering right, down and left. Okay, so state 6, 7, 8. What about cost of 6? 2 movements from the initial state. Okay, so we have done 2 movements in the initial state. Then how many? That is moving the empty space right, move in the empty space right. Okay, so that was the second move. Okay, so two movements, and how many tiles not in their correct position? 10, 11, 12 is not in the correct position, so 1, 2 plus 1. Then if we move this empty space down, you will be getting this state. Two moments, and 12 not in the right position, 15 not in the right position, and 11 not in the right position. So 2 plus 3, then state 8, move in the empty space left. So two moments, then which tiles are not in the right position? 10, 12, 9, 10 also, 10, then 11, 12, they are not in the right position. So 2 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, they are not in the right position. So 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, so which is the minimum cost movement? This is the state with minimum cost. So 6 will be selected for further expansion. So 6 will be selected, and here you have to consider up and down only, because left right will make the previous position. So only up and down. Here this moving this empty space down will give you the goal sheet. Okay, this way you can solve the 15 puzzle problem using branch and bound technique, LC search. So LC means least cost, and that method is used to pick the node for further expansion. And what is the difference between this backtracking and this one? In backtracking we use a bounding function, and we will go back, then consider the next or remaining options, or remaining branches of that tree. Okay, here we will use a function to calculate the cost, and we will consider different nodes, and we will pick the node with minimum cost for further expansion. Branch and bound method, LC search.